والذين يصلون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويخشون ربهم ويخافون سوء الحساب.
Who join together the ties which Allah has bidden to be joined, who fear their Lord and dread lest they are subjected to severe reckoning.
والذين صبروا ابتغاء وجه ربهم وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة أولئك لهم عقبى الدار.
Who are steadfast in seeking the good pleasure of their Lord, who establish prayer and spend both secretly and openly out of the wealth we have provided them, and who ward off evil with good, theirs shall be the ultimate abode.
جنات عدن يدخلونها ومن صلح من آبائهم وأزواجهم وذرياتهم والملائكة يدخلون عليهم من كل باب.
The everlasting gardens which they shall enter, and so shall the righteous from among their fathers and their spouses and their offspring. And angels shall enter unto them from every gate and say,
سلام عليكم بما صبرتم فنعم عقبى الدار.
Peace be upon you. You merit this reward for your steadfastness. How excellent is the ultimate abode.
والذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك لهم اللعنة ولهم سوء الدار.
As for those who break the covenant of Allah after firmly confirming it, who cut asunder the ties that Allah has commanded to be joined, and who create corruption in the land, Allah's curse shall be upon them, and theirs shall be a wretched abode in the hereafter.
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر وفرحوا بالحياة الدنيا وما الحياة الدنيا في الآخرة إلا متاع.
Allah grants the provision to whomsoever He wills abundantly, and grants others in strict measure. They exult in the life of the world, although compared with the hereafter, the life of the world is no more than temporary enjoyment.
ويقول الذين كفروا لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه قل إن الله يضل من يشاء ويهدي إليه من أناب.
Those who have rejected the message of Muhammad say, why has no sign been sent down upon him from his Lord? Tell them, Allah lets go astray those whom He wills, and guides to Himself those who turn to Him.
الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Such such are the ones who believe in the message of the Prophet and whose hearts find rest in the remembrance of Allah. Surely in Allah's remembrance do hearts find rest.
الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات طوبى لهم وحسن مآب.
So those who believe in the message of the truth and do good are destined for happiness and a blissful end.
كذلك أرسلناك في أمة قد خلت من قبلها لتتلو عليهم الذي أوحينا إليك قد خلت من قبلها لتتلو عليهم الذي أوحينا إليك وهم يكفرون بالرحمن قل هو ربي لا عليه توكلت وإليه متاب.
Thus have we sent you as a messenger to a community before which many other communities have passed away, that you may recite to them whatever we have revealed to you. And yet they deny the Lord of mercy. Say to them, He is my Lord. There is no God but Him. In Him I have placed all my trust, and to Him I shall return.
ولو أن قرآنا سيرت به الجبال أو قطعت به الأرض أو كلم به الموتى بل لله الأمر جميعا أفلم ييأس الذين آمنوا أن لو يشاء الله لهدى الناس جميعا ولا يزال الذين كفروا تصيبهم بما صنعوا قارعة أو تحل قريبا من دارهم حتى يأتي وعد الله إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد.
And what would have happened were a Quran to be revealed wherewith mountains could be set in motion, or the earth cleft, or the dead made to speak? To show such signs is not at all difficult, for everything rests entirely with Allah. So do not the people of faith still look forward to such a sign in response to the demand of the unbelievers, and despair as a result of knowing that had Allah so willed, He could have guided all to the truth? Misfortune continues to afflict the unbelievers on account of their misdeeds, or to befall on locations close to their habitation. This will continue until Allah's promise of chastisement is fulfilled. Indeed, Allah does not go back upon His promise.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فأمليت للذين كفروا ثم أخذتهم فكيف كان عقاب.
Surely the messengers before you were ridiculed, but I always initially granted respite to those who disbelieved, and then I seized them with chastisement. Then how awesome was my chastisement!
أفمن هو قائم على كل نفس بما كسبت وجعلوا لله شركاء قل سموهم أم تنبئونه بما لا يعلم في الأرض أم بظاهر من القول بل زين للذين كفروا مكرهم وصدوا عن السبيل ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Is it then in regard to Him who watches over the deeds of every person that they are acting blasphemously by setting up His associates? Tell them, name those associates if Allah Himself has made them His associates. Or are you informing Allah of something, the existence of which He does not even know? Or do people arbitrarily utter empty words? Indeed, their foul contriving has been made to seem fair to the unbelievers, and they have been barred from finding the right way. Whomsoever Allah lets go astray will have none to guide him.
لهم عذاب في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أشق وما لهم من الله من واق.
They shall suffer chastisement in the life of the world, and surely the chastisement of the hereafter is even more grievous. None has the power to shield them from the chastisement of Allah.
مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون تجري من تحتها الأنهار أكلها دائم وظلها تلك عقبى الذين اتقوا وعقبى الكافرين
And such will be the paradise promised to the God-fearing. Rivers will flow beneath it. Its fruits will be eternal, and so will be its blissful shade. That is the ultimate destiny of the God-fearing, while fire is the destiny of the unbelievers.
والذين آتيناهم الكتاب يفرحون بما أنزل إليك ومن الأحزاب من ينكر بعضه قل إنما أمرت أن أعبد الله ولا أشرك به إليه أدعو وإليه مآب.
Those upon whom we bestowed the scriptures earlier rejoice at the book revealed to you, while there are also some among different groups that reject part of it. Tell them, I've only been commanded to serve Allah and not to associate anyone with Him. To Him do I call, and to Him is my return.
وكذلك أنزلناه حكما عربيا ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعدما جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا واق.
And it is with the same directive that we reveal to you this Arabic writ. Were you indeed to follow the vain desires of people after the true knowledge has come to you, none will be your supporter against Allah, and none will have the power to shield you from His punishment.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا رُسُلًا مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُمْ أَزْوَاجًا وذرية وما كان لرسول أن يأتي بآية إلا بإذن الله لكل أجل كتاب.
We indeed sent many messengers before you, and we gave them wives and children, and no messenger had the power to produce a miraculous sign except by the command of Allah. Every age has its own revealed book.
يمحو الله ما يشاء ويثبت وعنده أم الكتاب.
Allah effaces whatever He wills and retains whatever He wills. With Him is the mother of the book.
وإما نرينك بعض الذي نعدهم أو نتوفينك فإنما عليك البلاغ وعلينا الحساب.
O Prophet, whether we make you see a part of the punishment that we have threatened them with come to pass during your lifetime, or we take you away before that happens, your duty is no more than to convey the message, and it is for us to make a reckoning.
أولم يروا أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها والله يحكم لا معقب لحكمه وهو سريع الحساب.
Do they not see that we are advancing in the land, diminishing it by its borders on all sides? Allah judges, and no one has the power to reverse His judgment. He is swift in reckoning.
وقد مكر الذين من قبلهم فلله المكر جميعا يعلم ما تكسب كل نفس وسيعلم الكفار لمن عقبى الدار.
Those who lived before them also devised many a plot, but the master plot rests with Allah. He knows what everyone does. The deniers of the truth will soon come to know whose end is good.
ويقول الذين كفروا لست مرسلا قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم ومن عنده علم الكتاب.
The unbelievers claim that you have not been sent by Allah. Tell them, Allah is sufficient as a witness between me and you, and so also do those who know the scriptures.